Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. This is All In by Cricket or Nothing. I am Manish and I have Amit Agarwal again joining me today. He and I are going to be diagnosing the match from yesterday, Mumbai Indians versus RCB, self-proclaimed experts.
There's no better way to say that.
Yes. Hi Amit, how are you? How did you enjoy the match yesterday?
Yeah, amazing, man. I think Wankhede and fireworks go together. It's just that we had more fireworks from RCB yesterday.
Yeah.
We were expecting a different type of match yesterday, but I think we have to give it to RCB. I think now they are in such a great form. Like पहले आरसीबी का एक इमेज था कि वो लोग चलेंगे या नहीं चलेंगे, but now you know that RCB will fire. And even if they fail in some segment, they'll obviously make up in other segment. And we've seen multiple examples in this IPL section.
लगवा नहीं रहे हैं, लग रहे हैं, जलवा है हमारा।
And ये मैच में I was actually thinking कि मुंबई will be favorites. RCB इतना impactful innings खेलती है straight up कि वो लोग इतने runs डाल देते हैं कि it becomes एकदम too much pressure for the opposition and then they crumble in that. So हाँ बोल.
Correct. Yeah. So see, Wankhede is MI's home ground. मतलब when MI is playing on Wankhede, the pressure is automatically on RCB before the start of the match.
Correct.
But yesterday it was totally the opposite.
Let's start with that opening partnership between Salt and Virat Kohli. So nice to see Virat Kohli again scoring runs and doing well. बीच में हो गया था थोड़ा, वो स्लो हो गया था, उसके रन शायद उस हिसाब से फ्रीली नहीं आ रहे थे, बट सॉल्ट दूसरे साइड पे मतलब मार रहा था.
So that is why I think yesterday also we discussed that the opening partnership in IPL is so important because power play में आप जितने runs cover कर लो ना, so then it gives you a good start for the rest of the batsmen to follow up on that score.
Correct.
Opening partnership, the first 3 wickets are very very crucial.
हाँ देखना, क्योंकि उनका ओपनिंग पार्टनरशिप ऑलमोस्ट 97 या आई थिंक 105 गया था फॉर
100 plus
100 प्लस 105 फॉर नो लॉस था, ऐसा कुछ था. एंड जो जब भी विकेट गिरा सॉल्ट का, तो तभी नॉर्मली 3 पे डीडीपी आता है, देवदत्त पडिक्कल, बट क्योंकि इतना इम्पैक्टफुल स्टार्ट था, दे ब्रॉट इन रजत पाटीदार, जो उसने मोमेंटम कंटिन्यू रखा मारते गए. हाँ उसका भी भाई, उसका इनिंग्स तो हैज टू बी हाईलाइटेड यार. मतलब ये बंदा जेन्युइनली मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ये कोई अलग ही फॉर्म में है ये सीजन. अपने हम लोग ने लास्ट पॉडकास्ट में भी बात किया था कि यू नो ही इज लाइक समटाइम्स वी नेवर कंसिडर्ड हिम टू बी रियली दी आउटशाइनिंग बैट्समैन. उसके ऑब्वियसली शॉट्स अच्छे लगते थे, स्पिनर्स को बहुत अच्छा खेलता है, बट ये यहाँ पे कल के मैच में वो अलग ही था. एंड ये सीजन में ही तू देख ले, इवन फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट मैच इतना इम्पैक्ट दिया, भले 30 रन 40 रन बनाए, जो भी बनाए थे इम्पैक्टफुल था. आरआर के अगेंस्ट इम्पैक्टफुल था, कल के मैच में इतना इम्पैक्टफुल था.
Wait, I think last podcast we spoke about that. Now his shots have got cleaner.
Yeah.
You can see that connect. You can see that accuracy percentage that has increased. So it's phenomenal for his side.
Maybe an Indian call up soon.
Hopefully, I think he's emerged as a very good player.
Yeah. ठीक है. Now आरसीबी से मोरलेस तो यही था, उनका फिनिश अच्छा था. टिम डेविड केम एट द एंड, ही फिनिश्ड इट ऑफ. कमिंग टू द एमआई साइड, अभी मेरे को पर्सनली लगता है दैट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू साइड्स वाज द स्पिन बॉलिंग. जो आरसीबी का स्पिन बॉलिंग था, वो उसने जितना इम्पैक्ट किया था कंपेयर टू एमआई का स्पिन बॉलिंग जो पेला गया था.
चीटिंग करता है तू, चीटिंग करता है तू.
सो एमआई के स्पिन बॉलिंग में यू हैड मार्कंडे एंड आई थिंक एक और बोला था मैं, नाम शायद याद नहीं आ रहा है.
2000 years later.
हाँ सैंटनर. हाँ एमआई, हाँ मार्कंडे एंड सैंटनर. सो दोनों सैंटनर इनफैक्ट थोड़ा बहुत कम बैक किया एंड में आके, जहाँ पे आरसीबी का स्कोर शायद 270 लग रहा था, उस ही एंड देन बुमराह एट द एंड दे मैनेज टू पुल देम बैक डाउन टू 240, वरना था 270 तो लग ही रहा था. तो सैंटनर ऑब्वियसली बीइंग अ वर्ल्ड क्लास बॉलर, बीइंग एन एक्सपीरियंस इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर, ही मेड अ वेरी गुड कमबैक. But Markande got taken to the cleaners. In comparison, RCB के स्पिनर जो है सूर्या शर्मा, he also got hit, but इतना गंदा नहीं उसको पड़ी, you know. And कृणाल पंड्या तो last time भी बात किया था भाई, he's become such an intelligent player and intelligent bowler, so उसका तो impact हमेशा ही रहेगा. And this was seen last season also, and now we are getting to see it in this season as well.
Absolutely. So again taking the topic of Krunal Pandya, मतलब वो एक bowler है जो which makes the batsman think from the ball one. There are many spinners who एक दो ball डालेंगे just to see ball कितना turn हो रहा है, क्या है. So the batsman knows I have some leeway in the first 2-3 balls. But when this guy comes, like even as an audience, I'm not sure कि क्या डालने वाला है.
Yeah.
You know, and that is a good thing to have on your team. That's a good thing when you have a high scoring match, a team like MI in front of you, and these 1 or 2 overs can make that difference, you know, because MI lost by 18 runs.
Correct.
Maybe Kunal's over or some over could have been the difference.
Correct.
Okay, so this is what the game is. If I see an overview of the match, the opening partnership between Salt and Kohli, that 100-run partnership for an opening, for me was the all-in moment, because for me the opening partnership is the best base you can set for the rest of the batsmen.
And the pace also that it came in. It came so quickly that they were already at 150-60 by the 13th 14th over. Yeah. तो भले फिर एंड में देन मालूम है कि बुमराह है पीछे, सैंटनर ने जैसे अच्छा बॉलिंग किया, he corrected his length again. You can expect the opposition will make a comeback because they all are international players, all are like, you know, world class players, and especially if your team has a Bumrah, तो वो 4 ओवर तो तू भूल ही जा.
बात तो सही है.
तो considering the fact that कि इतने quick pace में runs आए and इतना जल्दी आया, so that allowed RCB to get to where they reached, that's 240 runs. And I think, yes, I agree with you, that was definitely the all-in moment. So great going RCB, and we have now another match tomorrow.
Yes.
That's SRH
Rajasthan versus Hyderabad.
Oh, we get to see Vaibhav Suryavanshi again.
आ गया हमें अपने याद दिलाने
भाई,
बोर्ड एग्जाम की याद दिलाने.
वैभव सूर्यवंशी ने कहा था तुम क्या हो बे. नहीं बस आओ.
उसके मूछे नहीं निकले, उसने दूसरों के पसीने निकाल दिए.
I'm actually excited to see Archer also. Archer last time काफी अच्छा बॉल किया था. He's in good form.
Yeah.
But overall, I think Rajasthan is looking very, very settled. You know, जब भी टूर्नामेंट स्टार्ट किया, काफी लोगों ने उसको कोई चांस नहीं दिया था आरआर को. Like everybody thought उनका सिलेक्शन सही नहीं हुआ था, ऑप्शन सही से नहीं गया था, and the team was not looking that good on paper. But जो impact है वो लोग create कर रहे हैं.
If you see any IPL season, Rajasthan has never been the favorites. That is one thing that I don't know why, but it's always the focus is on other teams. But I think this time the team is such that is more of performance than star power. So I think that also makes a difference. I hope they qualify because they are a good team. They're performing very well. एक भी मैच हारे नहीं अभी तक. So yeah, it's good to see them.
So let's get to a cricket or nothing game prediction. Just to let you know guys that we are on a streak. हमने predict किया था हमारे game में that RCB हारेगी against राजस्थान, जो हुआ. हमने predict किया था हमारे game पे चेन्नई will win their first match. और predict मतलब हम जो game खेलते हैं तो उसमें जो result आता है, तो चेन्नई won their first match. Let's see tomorrow what happens. We are going to be playing that game. I am going to be Rajasthan and Amit will be Sunrisers. Really? Right? Come on, Aran.
In the gap for 2 runs.
Really? अरे नहीं.
In the air and caught. Oh no, the catch is dropped. The ball triples away for 4.
कोई नहीं. मेरे पास ही मैच. ओह, गुड शॉट. इनमें तेरा
That's a cracking 4.
क्या करूं? अरे यार आउट क्यों हुआ?
In the air and caught.
Out, yes!
The batsman has taken a DRS. Oh, the decision stays. It's out.
Let's see if we can draw the match.
Oh yeah! Smashed. That's a 6.
Rajasthan win.
In the air and caught.
Awesome, guys. Great match. As per Cricket or Nothing, Rajasthan has won. So let's see if they keep that streak up and हमारा भी streak maintain रहे app का. So that's it from us. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. Signing off. Please like, subscribe, and follow us. Amit.
Yes, and if you're liking the game, please download the game, experience it yourself, play with your friends, and let us know if you want to play with us. We'll definitely respond.
Bye bye.